Guys, my hair has grown out so much. Can you see that volume? Can you see it? Anytime I go out, people will always be asking me, is this your hair? Is this your hair? Yes, it is my hair. But guys, I didn't just start like that. This is what my hair used to look like before. My hair was so short and always breaking off. That is why today a lot of people that know me are surprised that I now have a very long full hair. Guys, since I started taking care of my hair the right way, since I started using Ayurvedic herbs, since I started incorporating natural plants into my hair care routine, everything changed for me. In this video, I'll be sharing with you one of my biggest recipes. I will show you how I use aloe vera for hair growth. If you think your hair is not growing, watch till the end and incorporate this recipe to your hair growth routine. So guys, this is what aloe vera looks like if you do not know. This is a very popular plant. A lot of people have this plant in their houses, but they do not even know the benefits of this. Let's get right into making this powerful remedy as I tell you the benefits of aloe vera for your scalp and also your hair. I'll be telling you how this benefits your hair, your scalp, and promotes hair growth. So first of all, you want to wash your aloe vera. You will want to wash it properly because there is like a yellowish stuff that comes out of it, and that is like the poison. That's what they call it. They say it's the poison, and once you apply that to your hair or any part of your body, it will start itching you. So you have to wash it properly. I wash my aloe vera like 3 times before I then move ahead to cutting it. I will slice this. I'll put this in pieces so that I'll be able to work properly with each part. Guys, since the day I started using aloe vera, I made it one of my favorite. This is a powerhouse. Like, it has a lot of benefits for your scalp, and your hair grows from your scalp, you know. So once you nourish your scalp with this, it will give your scalp that sweet environment for new growth. So guys, I'll go ahead to open up the leaf of the aloe vera. As you can see, this is what it looks like inside. So after this, I will just go ahead to scrape out the flesh of the aloe vera. Yes, I'll be scraping this out because this is what I'll be making use of, the main aloe vera. So guys, I did that off camera. This is what it looks like. I removed all the flesh of the plants. So guys, I'll just move ahead to add a little bit of distilled water. If you don't have distilled water, you can just use any clean water, just a little bit, so that I'll be able to blend this. Guys, this is the best way I would extract the goodness from this plant. Yes, you can use a normal blender to achieve this. If you have a normal blender, use it. So because of the foam, it foamed, so I'll just allow this to cool down for a bit. I'll just keep it aside for about 5 to 10 minutes. It will cool down. So as you can see, this is what it looks like after cooling down, and it is ready for use right now. Yes, so guys, I'll just go ahead to add this into my spray bottle. Please, if you can sieve, do well to sieve yours, because as you can see the particles still in my own. But then I just decided to use it like that, and then this is it in my spray bottle. As you can see, a little can go a long way, so I just put small. And then I'm not the only one using that big badge I made. I am giving it out to people. So I just put small in my spray bottle, and guys, it is very slimy. Like I told you, a little will go a long way. I had to add a little bit more of water, just a little bit more of water, so I can work with it properly. So guys, let's move right into how to use. So guys, I just made my braids. As you can see, I'm on mini braids. I'm on a mini braids hair growth challenge actually. So you just go ahead to spray your hair. spray your scalp and your hair, every single part of your scalp and your hair. So guys, it is very important for us to know the benefits of what we are applying to our scalp and our hair. Your hair grows from your scalp and your scalp is skin, so you have to know what you are applying. I mean, you need to know the benefits of what you are putting on your scalp. It is very important. So guys, aloe vera supports hair growth by providing deep hydration, reducing scalp inflammation and dandruff, and nourishes the follicles with its vitamins, minerals, and enzymes that strengthens the hair strands and promote elasticity. Guys, did you know that this has anti-inflammatory and also antibacterial properties? Let me tell you. Its anti-inflammatory properties enhances blood flow to the scalp, creating a healthy environment for the follicles to grow the hair. Guys, this anti-inflammatory and antifungal properties helps to calm any form of itchiness on the scalp. It reduces dandruff. It eliminates any dry scales that can hinder hair growth. Did you know that aloe vera's water-rich gel deeply moisturizes the hair and the scalp, preventing dryness and brittleness? Guys, aloe vera is highly moisturizing. A lot of people use it in their product, like well-formulated products. Apart from DIYs, a lot of people also use it on their skin, like for skincare, because it is a powerhouse, like I said before. Any product that is highly moisturizing is what your hair loves. Like the hair loves moisture. Your hair will thrive once it is highly moisturized. It will hardly break once there is moisture in your hair. So guys, after I am done applying the aloe vera to my scalp and to every single part of my strands, I will go ahead to moisturize with my leave-in conditioner. Yes, to add in moisture with my leave-in conditioner, and also I will seal in with a hair butter. Really important. You wouldn't want moisture leaving your hair as soon as possible, so you have to moisturize your strands, because once your strands come in contact with anything like water, you will have to moisturize. So after using this remedy, you will have to moisturize. That is my point. So get a leave-in conditioner, a very good leave-in conditioner, and also a hair butter. So this is my hair butter. I am sealing in the moisture right now. Because of the high level of moisturizing property that the aloe vera has, and with my leave-in conditioner and my hair butter, I can stay up to 4-5 days without moisturizing my hair, and my hair will stay properly moisturized. Like when I touch my hair, I'll still feel that form of moisture in my hair. Can you see the importance of aloe vera? But once I just use normal water to spray on my hair, like once I just spray my hair with normal water and I moisturize with the leave-in conditioner and a hair butter, after 2 days I will still be looking for how to still moisturize again. I will still have to moisturize again. Guys, do you understand? So guys, that is it. This is how I use aloe vera, the powerhouse for hair growth. Please, if you have any question, please do well to ask me in the comment section. Please, I'll always be here to respond to your questions. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to massage your scalp when you are done. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed, I don't know why. Please click on the subscribe button. Love you all. Stay tuned for more hair growth tips, more recipes like this. Bye.